Hello! We are about to check in Barceló Fuerteventura Mar. Barceló is one of my favorite hotel group, so hopefully this day is going to be really good. It's Christmas time, so it's more expensive than usual. So let's check it if it's really worth the money. Here is the map for better understanding. I will try to explain you how this resort works. So we are in Barceló Fuerteventura Mar. It's here on the top. Then you can choose royal level, only adults. It's only for adults, and royal level they have their own pool. They can actually visit our hotel, but we can go there. Then Barceló Castillo, and it's again same. They have royal level here. They can visit all resort, but we can go there. But we from Fuerteventura Mar, we can go and use facilities here in Barceló Castillo. Pools, restaurant, everything. So, and then here is wellness. Again, all guests can use it. So, these facilities. There is entertainment, restaurants which are prepaid, and ice cream shops, etc.
All good, my friend?
We are about to have gala dinner. It's Christmas night tonight. It looks amazing. I will show you everything. So far, the entertainment is so good. I'm looking forward to food tonight. Hopefully, it's going to be amazing. Stay tuned. Hola.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad, señor.
Feliz Navidad.
Out, enjoy, yeah.
Thank you. Check this cute snowman. I love it. I'm eating my second course. It's amazing. Like, food here is top notch. It's so good. I can't even explain that. It's so good. Yeah, really so good. Perfect. Lots of options. I got shrimp lasagna, mushroom pate, then I have potatoes, duck. Like, I just even started, yeah. I'm so glad I skipped a lunch. It's amazing, yeah. I 100% recommend that. It's actually my first Christmas away, and I can just recommend it. It's really good, especially in Barceló. I'm not sure about different hotels, but yeah, they do it really good. They know what they do, and it's amazing. It's so nice experience for guests. Amazing, yeah. I will show you my dessert. Definitely, I will show you my dessert. They have lots of options. So definitely, I will show you. Stay tuned. So this one is like a cake with whipped cream. It's not too bad. I definitely have the better, and also the cheesecake. I definitely have better one. Like, but all other food was amazing, so I'm not fussy about cake. There was lots of different options, so I probably choose the wrong one, but it's fine. I'm still happy about our food. One of the best what we ever had in hotels. So, overall experience of this Christmas gala dinner was absolutely amazing. We love it. 10 out of 10. Yeah, 11 out of 10. So absolutely amazing. Everything was perfect. Organization, everything was really good. We love it. So definitely recommend that. Amazing. Just let you know, for Christmas or New Year dinner, if you are in Barceló, any hotel in Barcelona, they usually do have 2 sittings. So you can choose one of the sittings which you want. At this hotel they have 6:30 and then at 8 o'clock was mine. We choose the first one so we can watch a show, but really both of them are equal. So it's up to you which you want.